Hello dear foodies, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. It's a good time to show your feelings to a loved one, maybe with a gesture like this. I'd embrace you even if you were a cactus and I a balloon. Should you prefer not to stick to just sayings and realize you've forgotten to buy a gift or bake a superb cake? Then these quickly made Valentine's Day Oreos might be just the right choice. They are delightfully sweet, visually appealing, and require only a few simple items, just some lovely Oreos, white chocolate coating, and some beautiful decorations, preferably heart-shaped. First, we coarsely chop the chocolate coating. A large knife on a large board works best. Once sufficiently chopped, we place the pieces into a bowl. Over a double boiler, melt the chocolate, occasionally stirring. Meanwhile, let's prepare the workspace. We position a cooling rack and place a sheet of parchment paper underneath to catch any drips. This will help to stop messes since the process is messy. Once the chocolate coating is fully melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, we individually immerse the Oreos, coating them in the warm chocolate. Take 2 forks and make sure the cookies are coated evenly all the way around. Allow the excess chocolate to drip off briefly before transferring them. We carefully place each coated Oreo on the prepared cooling rack to dry. The chocolate-coated Oreos should air dry on the rack we specifically placed for this purpose. However, before they fully dry, we will decorate them, as you can see here. This technique can be applied not only to Oreos, but also to other cookies. Let's begin decorating. I'm working quickly through this, and that finishes up the entire process. It's a quick last-minute option that allows us to create a charming surprise without much time. I truly hope that you have a wonderful time preparing this thoughtful and heartfelt treat. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day and enjoy your creation. See you next time. Bye.